How can you boost your business leads without lifting more than a finger? Let TAPNET build your lead generation machine. What does that even mean? Well, let's take a closer look at TAPNET's done for you lead generation services and explore how they can magically transform your lead generation efforts while you sit back and relax. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more insightful revelations, and share this video to spread the lead gen magic around. Done for you lead generation, because let's be honest, who actually wants to do things themselves anymore?
TAPNET's DFY services are designed for those who prefer the finer things in life, like watching grass grow or paint dry rather than dealing with the nitty-gritty of lead generation.
Imagine all the tedious work being whisked away, leaving you to focus on, well, whatever you want.
With TAPNET, not only do you get expert services, but you also get the bragging rights of having done it all yourself. Wink, wink. So how does this machine work?
It's simple, you do nothing, they do everything. Welcome to the future of technology. Think of all the things you could do with extra time, more coffee breaks, long lunches, actually going home on time.
With TAPNET's DFY services, these aren't just daydreams, they're your new reality.
Outsourcing your lead gen to professionals not only frees up your schedule but also saves your sanity.
No more juggling tasks you hate. Instead, sip your coffee, catch up on your favorite series, or stare blissfully into space.
Let TAPNET handle the heavy lifting while you handle, well, absolutely nothing. It's like giving your calendar a spa day every day. Now, spending money to save money might sound like an oxymoron or a bad joke your financially irresponsible friend would make.
But with TAPNET's DFY services, it's actually a reality. By outsourcing to experts, you cut down on the costs of mistakes, inefficiencies, and the most expensive of all, stress-induced gray hairs.
Imagine this: fewer overheads, no need for in-house training, and perhaps a smaller need for hair dye. By investing in TAPNET, you're not just buying services, you're also buying peace of mind and maybe even a better hairline. Ever seen a squirrel after a double espresso shot?
That's your business on TAPNET's DFY services. Fast, frenzied, and frantically scaling heights. Real businesses have seen real growth, scaling faster than you can say rocket fuel.
With the grunt work taken care of, you can focus on strategy, expansion, and maybe even a second espresso. Why be slow and steady when you can be fast and reliable? With TAPNET, it's all about giving your business the wings it needs to soar.
It's not just smoke and mirrors, it's genuine lead gen wizardry. From crafting targeted strategies to engaging potential leads, these wizards wave their wands, or more accurately, their keyboards, and poof, leads appear. Let's peek behind the curtain and see the wizards at work at TAPNET.
It's a mix of technology, expertise, and a sprinkle of magic. And the best part, you don't even need to know how it's done. It's like having your cake and eating it too, except the cake is leads, and TAPNET is the baker. So is it really possible? Yes. TAPNET's DFY service is the perfect lazy person's shortcut to effective lead generation, boosting your business while you binge-watch your favorite series. If you've ever dreamt of succeeding in your pajamas, TAPNET might just be your fairy godmother. Remember, if you enjoyed this lazy ride through the magical world of lead generation, don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. Keep being lazy, my friends, but let TAPNET do the heavy lifting.